In the heart of ancient China, amidst the sprawling landscapes of lush valleys and towering mountains, the sun rises over the forbidden city, where whispers of power and ambition intertwine with the very fabric of the empire. Enter Liu Bei, a man of humble beginnings, yet destined for greatness. With dreams of uniting a fractured land, he faces the cunning warlord Cao Cao, whose ambition knows no bounds. The stakes are high, as the fate of millions hangs in the balance. As alliances shift and betrayals unfold, the battlefield becomes a stage for heroism and sacrifice. Liu Bei's loyal friend, Guan Yu, faces the ultimate test as he must choose between duty and honor, revealing the thin line that separates loyalty from treachery. In a twist of fate, the very bonds of brotherhood are shattered by the treacherous schemes of power-hungry advisors, leading to a heartbreaking betrayal. The clash of swords echoes the cry of a nation in turmoil, as the brothers are tested like never before. Yet through the ashes of conflict, a lesson emerges. True strength lies not in conquest, but in the bonds we forge and the sacrifices we make. The legacy of these heroes will echo through history, reminding us of the fragile nature of trust and honor. In the end, the empire may change, but the spirit of these legendary figures lives on, woven into the tapestry of China's rich history, a timeless tale of valor, betrayal, and the quest for unity.